What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can get the Temu affiliate program. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. You just have to come to Google, search for Temu affiliate program. Now, search for Temu affiliate program, and you will be able to see this website affiliate program just popped up. Here, you just have to click on this affiliate program by Temu, and then you will be at this page. Here, in order to join the affiliate program, you just have to scroll down and then you will be able to see this option called as join now. Just click on this join now and then log into your account. So I'm just going to continue with my Google account and it will log into my Temu account. Once my Temu is logged in, it will allow me to join as you can see, the affiliate program. As you can see, I have joined as an affiliate. Here you will be able to click on this share to earn and you can get £2 on your PayPal. You can get the coupons and all the things if you do the referring as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to get the Temu affiliate program. Hope you guys find this video helpful.